You are probably looking at this thinking, there is no way old apple crates could look this good. Watch until the end. I promise you will want to try this. This is one of those projects that feels really satisfying because you get to rescue something old and give it a whole new life in your home. The best part is, you do not need a fancy workshop or years of woodworking experience. If you can use a saw and a drill, you can absolutely do this. I will walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along and make one for yourself. First, you will need 2 matching vintage apple crates. Try to find ones that are roughly the same size and still sturdy. I found mine at a local flea market for $8 each. You will also need some brass hinges, a brass latch or pull, sandpaper, wood glue, and your favorite stain or paint. I chose a dark walnut stain because it gives the wood such a rich, aged look that feels perfect for this style of cabinet. Start by cleaning your crates really well. Wipe them down with a damp cloth to remove dirt, old stickers, and any cobwebs. Let them dry completely. Then, lightly sand all the surfaces. You do not want to remove all the character and old markings. Just smooth out any rough spots or splinters so you do not get hurt later. Now take your 2 crates and decide which one will be the top and which will be the bottom. I turned one crate on its side to create the main cabinet base and used the second one as the top section. Apply wood glue along the edges where they will join together. Then clamp them firmly while the glue dries. This step takes a little patience, but it makes the whole thing much stronger in the end. Once the glue has set, reinforce the connection with screws from the inside. This way the front stays nice and clean with no visible screws showing. Next comes the door. You can use the original slats from one of the crates to create a door panel. Cut them to size, lay them out side by side, and attach them to 2 horizontal support pieces on the back using wood glue and screws. Then attach your brass hinges to the side of the cabinet. This part can feel a little tricky at first, but take your time lining everything up and it will turn out nicely. For the latch, a simple brass hook and eye works beautifully. It looks charming and keeps the door closed without feeling too modern or out of place. Now for the fun part, finishing. Wipe on your dark walnut stain and let it sit for a few minutes before wiping off the excess. You will see the beautiful grain and old markings in the wood come alive. If you want extra protection, especially if you plan to use the cabinet in a bathroom or kitchen, you can seal it with a matte varnish. Once everything is completely dry, it is time to style the inside. I added a couple of small shelves using leftover pieces from the crates. Then I filled the cabinet with vintage bottles, dried herbs, candles, and little apothecary jars. The brass hardware really pops against the dark stained wood and gives it that classic apothecary feel. You can customize this cabinet however you like. Some people paint the inside a soft cream color for nice contrast. Others leave the natural wood showing. Both options look wonderful depending on your personal style and the room you plan to put it in. You could even add small hooks on the inside of the door for hanging little scissors or measuring spoons. This little cabinet took me about 4 hours from start to finish, not counting drying time. The total cost was less than $30. And every single time I walk past it, I smile, because it feels like a piece of history that now has a new purpose in my home. One thing I really like about this project is how forgiving the crates are. Even if your cuts are not perfect or your hinges are a little off, the rustic nature of the piece hides small mistakes really well. So do not stress too much about perfection. If you have been wanting to try a bigger upcycling project but felt a little nervous about it, this is honestly a great one to start with. The crates are very forgiving, and the end result looks much more impressive than the actual effort it takes. So, tell me in the comments, have you ever worked with old apple crates before? What would you store in a cabinet like this? Would you use it for herbs, skincare, art supplies, or something else? Drop your ideas below. If you enjoyed this project, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more rustic makeover ideas. I drop new projects every week. Thanks so much for watching.